In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add videos to Figma prototypes. Adding videos to your Figma prototypes is an excellent way to elevate the user experience, making your designs more dynamic and realistic. It allows you to demonstrate motion, provide helpful context, or simply make your prototypes feel more complete and engaging. This process is straightforward, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be confidently embedding videos into your own interactive designs. Let's begin by opening your Figma file. The first thing we need to do is add a frame. A frame in Figma acts as the canvas or container for your design elements, similar to an artboard or a page. To do this, look for the Frame tool in the toolbar at the top of your screen. It usually looks like a rectangle icon. Click on it, then either select a preset frame size from the right-hand sidebar, or simply click and drag on your canvas to draw a custom frame. This frame will serve as the designated area where your video will reside within your prototype. Ensure your frame is appropriately sized for your intended video content and fits within your overall prototype layout. Once you have your frame ready, the next step is to add your video. Figma has made it incredibly easy to integrate video files directly into your designs. To bring in your video, you can simply drag and drop your video file from your computer directly onto your Figma canvas. Alternatively, you can go to the File menu at the top, select Place Image Video, and then navigate to your video file to import it. Once the video is on your canvas, drag it into the frame you just created. You can then resize and reposition the video within that frame to fit your design perfectly. Figma supports various standard video formats, ensuring broad compatibility. With your video now placed within its frame, it's time to prepare our prototype for viewing. Look at the top right corner of your Figma interface. You'll see a panel with tabs like Design and Prototype. Click on the Prototype tab. This action switches your workspace into prototype mode, allowing you to define interactions and connections between your frames. For our purposes, simply having the video within a frame is enough for it to be recognized as part of the prototype's content. Finally, to see your video in action and test your prototype, you need to click Preview. Still in the top right corner of the Figma interface, you'll find a play icon, often labeled Present or Preview. Clicking this button will open a new tab or window that runs your prototype. Here, you'll be able to interact with your design as if it were a live application. And crucially, your embedded video will play within its frame. You can test playback, observe how it integrates with your overall design flow, and share this interactive experience with others. This allows you to gather valuable feedback on the user journey, enriched by the dynamic video content. And there you have it. Adding videos to your Figma prototypes is a powerful way to enhance your design presentations and user testing. It brings an extra layer of realism and interactivity, making your prototypes truly stand out.